Welcome back. Now within the file command, there are two other areas that you're likely to use. First, if you go to the file command, you can print. And so you can print anything that you have in your current screen. What you'll want to do first is you'll want to go to the page setup. And this is where you'll determine how you want your print to look. So for example, if you wanted to reposition the image, you want to determine what kind of paper you're going to print the image on, and then you're going to click OK. If you want to have the file name on here, you can do that. Click OK. You can come back to the file command. You can do a print preview. You'll see how your image is going to look. Once you have your print preview available, you can then click the printer button. And if you're not going to print physically, you can print this image to an Adobe PDF file. Another thing you can do is to connect your mobile device. And what you're going to need to do first is you're going to need to download the mobile app from TechSmith.com onto your mobile device. Now there are three mobile apps that you can use. You can use TechSmith Capture. You can use TechSmith Motion. And you can use TechSmith Fuse. And you'll notice that inside of your capture program, you can indicate that your shared destination is going to be your Snagit installation. You'll then click Connect New Device. You'll then need to scan the appropriate QR code. Once you do that, your device will be connected, and then your content will be shareable to your Snagit account. Inside of TechSmith Fuse, the process is the same. You'll click the Snagit. You'll then click Connect New Device. You'll come back to the same screen, and then you'll connect your device. The process is the same with TechSmith Motion. You'll click Get. You'll open up your app. You'll then click the settings. You'll then click Snagit, and then you'll connect your new device. You'll then come back to your file command. You'll then click Connect New Mobile Device, and your device is now connected. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.